What's up guys, your boy Tony B with HID Express, and today we are going to be discussing how to open a 95 SL600 V12 headlight. So the main reason for this lens swap is simply because it's a 95. The lenses have some wear on them. They are pitted, cracked in some places, so it's time for a change. What makes this so unique and different from opening up other headlights is the fact that in this particular application, we don't even need any heat. We don't need a heat gun, we don't need an oven, and we don't have to worry about butyl or the devil spawn permaseal. The headlight lens is held on by 4 tabs that hold it on to the headlight. So all you literally have to do is pull up on those tabs carefully. Remember, this is a 95. Carefully, and the lens comes right off. So check out this video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace. So in order to access this headlight, or in order to pull the entire housing out of the car, there are a few pieces that have to be removed, including this corner piece and this lower trim piece here. So first we're going to start by removing this corner piece. In this car, all we're going to do is we're going to grab it from here and pull it out. And it just unclips. Just like that. Now we're going to remove the lower trim piece, this piece here. Remove this Phillips screw here and this Phillips screw here. Just place it off to the side. Now to remove the headlight, we're going to remove these 2 8mm bolts here and this other 8mm bolt here. When all the bolts removed, you simply unplug the connector . In this case, this car had LEDs on high beam, so we have to also unplug these little connectors. With the headlight removed, now we're gonna have to remove this rubber trim so that we can have access to separate the lens from the housing. To remove this rubber trim, there are 6 little pins that have to be removed so that you're able to take this trim off. So typically when you're trying to separate a lens from a housing, it's held on by either butyl or permaseal. However, in this case, it's just held on by 4 clips, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. So all we're gonna do is literally pry this up a little bit without breaking it so that we can split the lens apart. So what we're doing is we're pushing the lens and the housing together to allow a little extra space so that we can kind of pry this up without having to force it up. new lens does come with a rubber seal and everything you need, so nothing needs to be removed from the old lens. Installing the lens is just the direct opposite of the way we removed it. Again, take your time. Do not want to break anything. Make sure everything's lined up. Last thing you want to do is have to unclip something again. So it has all the notches here you can line it up in. Clip. Now you put your pins back into your rubber. They are pretty tiny, so you gotta take a little time to get them in there. So the driver's side is a little bit more difficult to remove because there's this cable here that runs into the back of the headlight, and I'm unable to find a place to unplug it because it runs under the car. So we're gonna have to actually remove the lens with it within the car, so there's not as much wiggle room. We should still be able to do it without any kind of issues.